Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, we got BoxyCharm and I'm like super excited. I do not know what month this is for. I think it could be for the August one. Was it? We're in August now, so it could be August one. I'm thinking it's August, or it could be July. I don't know, but yeah, it's BoxyCharm and I just love BoxyCharm. Yeah, BoxyCharm is an American beauty subscription box and it's $21 a month, and I use the firm Ship2, and it just gets sent to a locker in California or something like that. What Ship2 does is it gives you a US postal address and you just get your items sent directly to your locker, and then they just forward it to my address. And they also are really a good company is Ship2. It sends you they send you like the emails, and they'll tell you every step of the way where your product is, and it's really a good. You also get tracking information, and they'll send you like a picture of your item. It's really a good service. Mine costs just $15, and yeah, so it's cost me, this box has like cost me £29 altogether with shipping, which is not bad because the products you get in here is like $150 worth. So yeah, that's what I pretty well love BoxyCharm for. And we're just going to get into it, and they've already probably been in this box and checked it, because you can't send like nail varnish or anything like with a spray like this. This is my Filmora, but like if it was like that, they couldn't send that. Probably it's not. Right, so I'm just gonna find a way to get into it and look at it like so. I'm thinking there's somebody outside my door for some unknown reason. I don't know why. Oh wow, it's come padded like that. It's a really very good pattern. Okay, so the first item I see is the Becca Hydro Mist. Now that alone is like £30 over here on Beauty Bay. I was just checking it out the other day. It's really expensive. So super happy to receive that. And mine it's a Hydro Mist, it's Set and Refresh, so it's a setting powder. Yeah, really good. I've never had Becca before. Like this is really good padding as well. They've actually put like a sponge in there. So then I have got a Peach and Lily Classic Skin Refining Serum. So yeah, this is a translucent peach extract. So there, I will show you it. Then we'll have a little look at it. This box is amazing, and I'm sure this is. I have got the Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Oh, so I'm just gonna get my camera to focus on this. Come on, camera. There we go. It's not been very nice to me, this camera. It just won't focus really on what I want it to. Right, okay, so this looks like a Steve Laurent. I am not sure what this is. It could be a lip liner. I would pretty much say that that is like a lip liner. There, it's focused on that. We don't have a card. That would be, oh we do, we have the card. And okay, so then we got, oh, these are really pretty. These are the eyeshadows. That looks really pretty. That looks a really pretty eyeshadow. It is by, who are you by? Face Ace Beauty Summer. It is Glimmer Shadow. Then we got another one, so we got two of those. Oh, this looks really nice. These are by Ace Beauty. Actually, that's going to show up a lot better. That is beautiful. That is a really nice pink. It's going to go lovely for the autumn and like Christmassy looks. Proper, really is a nice colour. Christmassy looks. I'm thinking about Christmas today. Right, okay, so let's just get the BoxyCharm thing out. Card, so it says there. And it says totally BoxyCharm. And, okay, so first item we're going to have a look at is the Becca Hydro Mist. That is it there. And so I'm just going to pop it open. And yeah, you see my camera. So that is my camera. Right, okay, so it's really nice shiny top. That's what I like about it. It's really nice packaging. I would think of this as like a powder, but it's very finely milled. Just look how good that is. And oh my gosh, it feels like water. That is like so really weird. And it feels like water when you're putting it on your skin. So I'm just going to apply it, and I've already got a setting spray on, so it's probably just not going to actually do anything. I'm just going to get my mirror, which is just down here, and I'm going to have a look at this and see what it's actually doing. Right, so that, I mean, I can't say it's actually going to set anything because I've got setting spray on, but it feels like water and it feels really nice on. So again, good item. And I think that is about £30 over here. I'm sure of it. Yeah, it's $39 in America, so it's about £35 over here. So that's really good. So then the next item which I got was the Wonder Glow Ahead. Now I've had Wonder before in a Fitbit, not Fitbit. I've got Fitbit on the brain. In a, oh right, okay, I've forgotten what it is. I will put it on the screen somewhere. And okay, so this is the Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. So this is a multitasking beauty elixir. Instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. So this is a lightweight, powerful formula. It nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisturizer barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it in one drop at a time, and this is $42. I knew that Wonder was an expensive company, products and stuff like that, because I've used them before and they're amazing. Like, I like their item that I got before. Oh, that is an unusual dropper. Look at that. Super unusual. Right, so I'm just going to actually... I've never had anything like this before. So it comes like that. And you're just going to see... Oh my, it feels really, really nice. Oh, it's like it's really give my hand like a glimmery shimmery. It's not going to show up on the camera, but it really is shimmery, sparkly. I love it. That is really nice. I'm going to see it but actually go on my cheek. Oh, feels really nice. I just love it. I can't stop saying it feels really nice because it is absolutely amazing. I just love it, love, love, love it. It's like actually just give it like a little shimmer. It's really pretty. That is going to get used. It's actually like a moisturizer but illuminating as well. It's super good. Love it. As you see my little demonstration on it, I love it. Right, okay, so then the next item what we got is this, which is the Peach and Lily. Is it going to focus? Maybe if I just put that there. So it's Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. So this is a silky, weightless and instantly absorbing. The serum helps to hydrate and calm, brighten and firm, delivering a more dramatic result with continued use. Expertly blended with potent, earthborn and high-tech beautifying ingredients, you'll uncover skin that is poreless, translucent and luminous like a pane of glass. So this is retails for $39 and you can get this at Totally Peach and Lily. So yeah, that's where you get that from. Right, okay, so it's just comes in a cute box. I mean, I must say that it's like a really nice peachy colour box. And yeah, so it's a peptide complex and you get 4 email in here. So let's just have a little look at it. So I would say that this is like more like a moisturizer. And oops. So it comes in a pot like that. So it's a really nice white pot and it's going to go nice on my bathroom cabinet. Yeah, so there it is. Right, so I do like that it's a pump action bottle, so that's a lot better. And it's got all of the ingredients on it as well. It just says directions: pat onto clean dry skin, can be used AM and PM and daily whenever you need it. So this is made in Korea. Yeah, so let's just get onto using it. Right, so I'm just going to put it on a different hand. And it comes like that. It's really clear. This is definitely like a moisturizer because it's just got to work super fast. It just really is a nice, cooling, refreshing moisturizer. That's what that is. There is no scent to it, which is pretty good because I don't like scented moisturizers. So that is pretty good. I do like that. Right. Love it. Good item. Then we're going to move on to this, which is the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow, which is this one. No, it's this one, which is the Glimmer Shadow. It's that one. And this is a highly pigmented soft shadow with a creamy texture. It is specially designed for the ultimate colour payoff. These shadows provide a bold colour in one swipe without fallout, so creasing or fading. Okay, so we'll just test this one and we'll test the other one. So this one is Glimmer. Oh, it feels really nice. It feels soft, buttery and everything that it should do. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Just look at that. Oh, that is going to be beautiful. Like Christmas looks. I'm thinking Christmas looks, New Year looks. Oh, just absolutely gorgeous colour. That will actually waken and brighten my eyes up. It's beautiful. So I'm just going to actually pop a bit of that in. Just pop it there. You see what it does? I would say you could use that as a highlighter as well. It just gives you that awakened look. Maybe I should use my brush, but you see what it's done. There it is. And then we got the other one, which is a nice one too. It's just this one. So let's just have a look at this one. I'm just going to swatch it about there. Oh, that is a gorgeous pinky colour. Very pretty. I do like that one as well. Oh yeah, definitely New Year eyeshadow looks. Christmas parties. That's what I'm thinking of with that. Really is nice. So then we're going to move on to this, which is the Steve Laurent lip liner. Oh, it is. I thought it was a lip liner. So this will reshape, resize, redefine your pout. This lip pencil is totally magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long. Lasts up to 7 hours. And this retails for $15, and you can get this at hashtag Totally Steve Laurent. So yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so I'm just going to open it. So there it is. You see the tip of it. I do not know what color it is. Oh, it's in the color Vogue. Shade Vogue is what it is. So I'm just gonna apply it. It feels really actually dry when it's on. It's not actually creamy, it's dry. It looks really nice, but it's quite difficult to apply actually. But it's still a nice lip liner. So I'm just going to actually probably just use it as a lip liner. But that is the colour of it there. Right, okay, so we've come to the end of this box. If you like this box and you like my unboxing, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye! Love you all. Bye.